Guys, this is a brand new Alienware M16, okay, or i9 13th generation, 64 gig RAM, 4 TB of hard disk. Now, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 with 16 gig dedicated. This is like you driving a V12 engine Mercedes, like S-Class or G-Gat. So I am going to open the system up. All right, we're going to tear the system. This is brand new, it's sealed, 13 gen Core i9, all right, 64 gig RAM, 4 TB of hard disk, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 16 gig dedicated. This is crazy, this is machine. So I'm going to tear this up now. Let's find out what you expected to get once you buy a brand new Alienware. You guys can see the configuration. You can see the configuration here. Okay. You guys can see that's the configuration. Now, before we proceed, I know some of you would like to know how much I bought this system, and some of you might be coming to my comment section and be asking me how much I bought this system. This system, I bought it for 5.8 million naira. Now, the X16 model of it, the X16 is sold for 7 million naira, and the X16 configuration is Ultra 9, 14th generation, 64 gig RAM, 4 TB of hard disk. Now, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 24 gig dedicated, but this one is 4090 16 gig dedicated. Now, there's another model of it that is also there's another model that is higher than 4090. There's a new model of NVIDIA, which is I made the installation on that one. That was last week. A friend of mine that lives abroad bought it. I've not seen that one. That one is not yet in Computer Village. I searched even the X16 of this model Alienware. It was just only 2 shops that I saw it in Computer Village for 7 million naira. Now that one, the higher version of this one, which is the latest NVIDIA, is 5090. The system I did installation last week. The configuration is Ultra 9, 14 generation, 128 gig of RAM. Now 4 TB of hard disk and 2 TB of hard disk separately. Okay, they are all in the same system, 4 TB and 2 TB separately. Now this one is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 with 24 gig dedicated. That one is not V12. That system is just, let me not lie to you, that system is a monster. That one is not machine. That system is a beast. That one we call that one a monster, because 5090 128 gig of RAM, NVIDIA GeForce 5090 24 gig dedicated for i9, 4 TB hard disk, 2 TB hard disk. I don't want to talk much on that system. That system is mind blowing. Now, how much do you think that system would be worth? That one should be, to see that system, you should be looking at 9 million naira, because the X16, the higher version of this one, which is 24 gig 4090, sold for 7 million naira in Computer Village. Now 5090 should be around 8 or 9 million. So no 8 gig dedicated is less than 1.something million. So let's just dive right in. Let me not talk too much. Let's unbox this Alienware M16. Wow, that's the charger. The charger is like another big, massive laptop. I think before we power it on, we have to charge it because the battery might be down. You guys can see, as a brand new system, it's telling me to set up the system, English and all that, next. So this is just what I want to share with you guys, and I'll give you guys more updates on the full configuration when I'm done setting it up.